Meet David. He runs an awesome business, but Algo, the mighty Google algorithm, favors his competitors, making it hard for David to grow. He knows that not being in the top 3 of search results means he's losing 80% of his customers to his competitors. That's why he decided to use our top-rated Google Business Profile Optimization service. With David's guidance, we sprung into action to optimize his profile to speak Algo's language. By regularly updating his business profile with weekly posts, questions, new images, responding to reviews, and more, we quickly got Algo's attention, and by using our review tools, David was able to get a steady stream of 5-star Google reviews. Trust was formed between the two, and finally, David had tamed the mighty Algo, got his business to the #1 spot of Google, and his business is booming. Are you ready to tame Algo together?